Hello everybody, I have my good friend Jaime right here. He's going to be joining us in today's presentation. I'm going to set him right here. Perfect. So thank you Jaime for joining us. In today's presentation, we're going to be talking about how to fold our laundry. And it's going to come in handy for you as well, Jaime. So um, laundry is nobody's favorite task. You know, it takes a lot of time from your day and sometimes we just have too much clothes to fold. So in today's video, we're gonna find a way to fold sweatpants and long sleeve shirts in a fast and easy way. And hopefully by the end of this video, you'll be able to do it more efficiently because the problem that a lot of us have is that whenever our laundry's finished, we just dump the whole bin into our beds and we say we're gonna get to it, right? But then we never do. We either sleep right next to it or sleep on top of it, and clothes never gets folded. So why does the clothes never get folded then? And I believe it's because people don't know how to fold their laundry correctly. So this video should fix that problem for you. So we're going to start with the sweatpants. How to fold these. There are many different ways to fold them, but the way I'm going to show you today, I believe is one of the easiest and the best ways to fold, and I'll explain that after the demonstration. So first, hold your sweatpants right in front of you, and you're going to want to fold it in half, just like that, just like that. And what I like to do is hold it with my neck, grab the legs, and bring it up to about chest length, right? About chest length. And now we're going to do one more fold, right? And there you have it, just like that. You can set it down now. It looks very nice, presentable, and you can store it very easily. So now the question is, why is this the best way to fold it? Because I'm going to demonstrate another way that people commonly fold their sweatpants. So instead of holding it like this, people hold it like this, right? And you can go through the same steps, bring it up to chest length, fold it one more time, boom, there you have it. It also looks nice, presentable. The only difference though is that you start creasing your pants, because we don't wear our pants like this. We wear them like this, and you can even see some visible crease marks that have been formed by folding it that way. So some people, they don't mind having these creases on their pants, but some people they do. So if you're one of those that don't like creases, don't fold it like this. Fold it like this. Very easy, very fast, gets the job done. Now, let's move on to our long sleeve shirt, right? I think this is the least favorite item to fold. So the way that I do it is I grab it about halfway and fold it like this. So this is how it's going to look from the front. This is how it's going to look in the back. So we're going to focus a bit on the back. So you can put it on a flat surface, and you can see the sleeves are kind of hanging around. So what you want to do is take one sleeve and fold it across into the shirt, lay it down like that, and we're going to do the same motion with the other sleeve. Fold it in just like that. So now our shirts are starting to look like this, right? Just lay that back down. So now we're gonna grab one side, we're gonna fold it towards the middle. Take the other side and fold it towards the other middle as well. You can kind of adjust it a little bit. And now we have our shirt looking a bit like this. So now when it looks like this, you're gonna want to take the bottom side and fold it upwards. And that actually concludes our folding. Look how it looks in the back, and look how it looks in the front. It looks very neat, presentable. Now you can store it away easily. And there you have it, y'all. How to fold a long sleeve shirt and some sweatpants in an easy way, efficient way, so that it looks nice and easy to store. And hopefully this solves all your future laundry problems. Thanks to me. Thank you. Thank you, Jaime.